Hello student, I'm Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Here we discuss decreasing order of rate of dehydration in C4H10O isomeric alcohol. So first of all, we have to write down all the isomeric alcohol of C4H10O. Then we have to find out decreasing order of rate of dehydration, and with reaction mechanism explain your answer. Okay, which is having fast rate of dehydration. So this is in four structure I draw here. This is 1 butanol, this is 2 butanol, this is isobutyl alcohol, and this is tert butyl alcohol. Tert butyl, isobutyl, sec butyl, and primary alcohol, 1 degree alcohol. What will be the order of rate of reaction? This is going through even reaction mechanism, and we know very basic that 3 degree carbocation are more stable. So this is getting first ranking. This is having fastest rate of dehydration, and then 2 degree carbocation are more stable as compared to 1 degree carbocation. This will give you 1 degree carbocation. This is 1 butanol. This is isobutyl alcohol. So these are 1 degree alcohol, this is 3 degree alcohol, this is 2 degree alcohol. So isobutyl this tert butyl alcohol give you tertiary carbocation, so more stable, so fastest rate of dehydration, easily cleaved. We will discuss that, and then followed by this 2 degree alcohol. Okay, 2 degree alcohol from 2 degree carbocation. After the cleavage of OH, by protonation of this, OH will be cleaved. So this 2 degree carbocation are more stable than 1 degree carbocation. So after the B will be coming. Okay, and followed by isobutyl alcohol, and then lastly this is having the least rate of dehydration. So first ranking goes to 3 degree alcohol, D, and second ranking goes to 2 degree alcohol, third rank goes to isobutyl alcohol, fourth rank goes to 1 butanol. Now I will tell you reaction mechanism. Conc H2SO4. So first of all, protonation will occur, and simultaneously dehydration will occur. So this will be cleaved. So we will get 3 degree carbocation, minus H positive will be there, deprotonation, we will get this alkene. Now in 2 degree alcohol, conc H2SO4, again first protonation occurs, so this is protonated alcohol, then water will be lost, we will get 2 degree carbocation, then deprotonation from the adjacent carbon, so we will get this between, and this will be cis and trans both. Okay, so this is second ranking, means second rank of dehydration. Then third ranking is this, because isobutyl carbocation is obtained, and then H will be cleaved and will get this, and then lastly N-butyl